Hi everyone, welcome back to SimpleGuide TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add overlays in CapCut. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Drag a video of your choice to the timeline. For this tutorial, I'll use a desktop screen recording, but you can select any clip that suits your project. Go to the Stock Materials section and search for a background video. For this example, I guess I'll use this video, but feel free to pick any clip you like and click the plus button to add it to your timeline. Place this video on a new track above your main video. Resize the overlay video to match the length of your main video. You can also adjust the size and opacity of the overlay video. For instance, lowering the opacity will give us this cool shadow overlay effect. And that's it. You've just learned how to add an overlay in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.